Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and learning something new every day. So guys, what I'm gonna tell you today, just guess what? Today, I'm gonna tell you how to describe things, how you can do practice with your own self. Like listen guys, that's a very common cause of every beginners. That's the biggest problem of every beginners who is trying to learn this language, who is trying to become fluent in this language. What's happening with them? Listen guys, they're only searching and they're looking for a partner who can do practice with them, who can speak in front of them, and who can give feedback to them. And there is nobody. And because of that reason, those people and those students who wants to speak this language, they are stepping back from that stage and they are thinking, I don't have any partner. Then how can I become fluent and how can I do practice? Because of that, that's becoming a very like a big problem for them, and they are whatever they are facing. And because of that, they are thinking, how can I do practice and how can I become like this? Okay, because without having anybody, how can I do these things? So listen my friend, you have to describe things whatever I'm gonna tell you. Okay, that's the main purpose of today's video, like how to describe, how to speak with your own self. As you can see, this time I don't have anybody here, and in fact I don't have any partner for doing practice. Okay, I don't have any environment for that, but instead of stepping back, I'm here and I'm expressing myself. I'm speaking to you and I'm like speaking and I'm describing things whatever going on in my mind. I'm just describing those things. This is what you need to do. As you can see guys, today I can describe things and I can do practice with my own self while describing those things, while like speaking about my day, about my things, whatever happened today, whatever I did today. Okay, this is how I can do, and this is what I want you to do. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna describe my things, and this is how you have to do. Just listen properly and try to describe your things, whatever you are doing since morning. Okay, like listen guys, in the morning it was raining too heavily, and because of that rain, we were unable to go outside. In fact, I'm talking about me. Okay, I was unable to go outside from home for making videos. At the time, electricity was not at the time. Okay, and that was very tough for me for going outside and making videos and like doing practice. And now finally, rain has stopped. Now sun is visible. As you can see, the sun was behind clouds, because at that time, as I said, it was raining too heavily at the time. Because of that, now sun is visible and the light of sunlight is too bright. As you can see guys, that was the first thing. And now I can speak a lot of things with my own self and I can do practice like that. And as you can see, there is nobody. I'm alone here and the road is empty. The road is empty. There is nobody is coming here and going there. I'm alone here. And as you can see, I'm surrounded with the crops. There is a lot of crops. Like it's a wheat crops. Okay. And I'm here and I'm expressing myself. And I have a lot of things for speaking. In when I was in my village, at the time I was trying to make videos, but there were a lot of noise. And because of that reason, that became very difficult for me to do practice. And whenever I try to do and whenever I try to speak and whenever I try to make videos in my village, at the time everybody start like laughing at myself. Everybody start thinking like this, what I'm doing, what he's doing. Okay, and this is how they always start like laughing at me. Because of that, I always think I'll never speak again in front of them. And so because of that, I always prefer to come here alone and start making videos. This is how I'm doing, and this is how, and this is what I love to do. Because of that, I always back myself, okay, for speaking, for doing practice. I can't stop my practice, and I can't stop myself for doing things, for like speaking, for doing practice. This is how I'm doing, and this is what you need to do. If there is somebody who's making fun of you whenever you are speaking and whenever you are trying to do practice, if they are making fun of you, if they are laughing at yourself, so you should not be worried about that. always back yourself, always try to do practice instead of stopping yourself, instead of agreeing with their suggestion. Okay, you should not do like that, and this is what I'm trying to tell you all. Okay, so always try to do that. And whatever I just like what I'm just saying like this, guys, I can like speak a lot of things, and I will be speaking for a whole day if I'll not stop myself, because I have a lot of things for speaking, but you'll get bored while listening to me. Definitely, and it's obvious for you, you'll get bored. Because of that, I'm gonna stop that, and because I just wanted to share with you all like how to describe things, how to make like situations for speaking. Okay, so that's all for today. This is what I hope you have got all the thing from me, like whatever I wanted to tell you all. Okay, so guys, as you can see, my friends are coming here, and now we are going back in our village, because I have made this whatever I come from here. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay guys, take care, bye bye, we will meet in another video, so take care. Okay.